Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an end screen for YouTube using LightMV. LightMV is a web-based program with an intuitive interface that enables you to edit the end screen for YouTube with ease. Aside from that, it allows you to produce a video for multiple purposes using its tons of collection of highly customizable templates. To get started, launch a web browser and go to www.lightmv.com to visit the official website of LightMV. Then, click the Get Started button to browse and select your desired video template for your outro video. After selecting a video template, click the Select button to start editing the video. From here, click the plus sign icon to upload the videos and photos you want to include in the video. Next, click the text icon below the uploaded files to add the text you want to include in the video. Also, go to the Change Music option on the upper right part of the tool. Then, select the Add Music button to import the audio clip from your computer that you want to use as background music. Once done customizing the end screen for YouTube, click the Produce button below to render the video. Lastly, hit the Download button to save the video on your computer. And that is the easiest way to make an end screen for YouTube using this program. For more information, don't hesitate to visit its official website. Thank you for watching.